San Mateo Congresswoman Jackie Speier is calling on Congress to investigate yet another sex scandal in the military. Her action is coming at the same time a powerful documentary is debuting in San Francisco tonight about the epidemic of rape in the military. I talked with Speier by satellite in Washington about her concerns.
The problem is that the chain of command, which is like the holy grail for the military, is something they do not want to tinker with.
This Air Force Times article describes the scandal that's rocked Lackland Airforce Base in Texas. San Mateo Congresswoman Jackie Speier is calling on Congress to investigate. She's written a letter to the House Armed Services Committee chairman.
There have been 35 instructors that have been implicated in a scandal in which many of their trainees, upon graduating, have been forced to have sex with them.
Speier has spoken on the floor of the House nearly 24 times about the epidemic of rape in the military. She authored the STOP Act last year to protect victims of MST, military sexual trauma. Congress has still not passed the bill.
The STOP Act would require that a separate office within the military be established where complaints can be filed and be evaluated, investigated, and prosecuted.
Her office is investigating several Bay Area MST cases, including that of military veteran Katie Weber. She is one of many women and men who tell their horrifying stories in a powerful new documentary called The Invisible War by Docurama Films.
Very young, into the military, wanted to make a career of it, and was raped viciously. And then afterwards, when she tried to complain about it, she was summarily discharged from the military, and was discharged. On her discharge papers states that she had a weight problem, which was not the case.
Well, Congresswoman Speier and Katie Weber will be attending the debut of The Invisible War tonight at 7 at the Metreon in San Francisco to answer questions. For more information about the documentary and Jackie Speier's bill, the STOP Act, you can log on to our website, abc7news.com, and look under See It on TV.